Welcome to iLecture Online. Sometimes you will hear the term a degenerate quantum state. What do we mean by a degenerate quantum state? It almost sounds like it's an offensive word. Is there something wrong with the quantum state? But no, that's not really what it means. It's just a name, it's just a term. There's something unique or something special about that quantum state. Well, maybe unique is not the right word, but let's go and explore what we mean by a degenerate quantum state. Now notice that we could have various energy levels and a number of particles that could exist in those particular energy levels. But there could be various configurations of where the particles could be. There could be different kinds of states that the particles could be in. Remember that particles that are contained or confined to a container, they will experience quantum states, various ways in which they can be arranged. So you can see that as you go up in the energy levels, typically there are more different ways in which particles can be arranged, so that means the number of states increases. So we have what we call the ground state, and then we have what we call the excited states. So when we add more energy to the particles, they could jump to a higher energy level. But notice they can be arranged in different states. Now it turns out the definition of a degenerate quantum state, and it's really very simplistic, it says when different quantum states have the same energy, they are considered degenerate. So notice there's only one state here in the ground state. Well, therefore, this is not degenerate, there's only one. But over here there are three states. And so since there's more than one state, more than one quantum state, at a particular energy level, these are then called degenerate quantum states. Same here, there's 5 different states in the same energy level, so these 5 are what we call degenerate states, degenerate quantum states. So I would think that most states are degenerate in that respect. But we also talk about the degree of degeneracy. In other words, here the degree is equal to 1, so essentially this is not degenerate at all. If there's only one state, it's not a degenerate state. There the degree is 3, which means there are 3 different states for the same energy level. There the degree is 5, so the degree of degeneracy equals 5, means there's 5 different quantum states for a particular energy level. Now you already are somewhat familiar with that if you studied chemistry. For example, you might have learned about the s orbitals and the p orbitals and the d orbitals. The s orbitals are the orbitals in the innermost energy level of an atom. And there's only one particular orbital there, the first s orbital, and so therefore in the ground state there would only be one quantum state, only 2 electrons can exist there, and so that would then not be a degenerate state. Not a degenerate state. But when you get to the p orbitals, there's 3 different p orbitals, so 3 different ways in which the electrons can be arranged. Each p orbital can have 2 electrons, so there we are considered that there's 3 different quantum states at that particular energy level. Of course, you could also argue that in addition to the 3 p orbitals, there's also an s orbital in that energy level, so essentially you can think of it as being 4 quantum states in that particular energy level, and they all would therefore be degenerate. Now, there's probably a slightly difference in energy between the p orbitals and the s orbitals, so if you want to be pure about it, it could still be that there's a difference in energy level, so that the 2s orbital is not at the same energy level as the 2p orbitals, so maybe they're not degenerate. So probably more accurately that the p orbitals have their own separate degeneracy, a degree of 3, and that the second s orbital probably has a different energy level and therefore is not degenerate when compared to the p orbital. So therefore we already have some sort of familiarity with that. And of course when we get to the d orbitals, there's a total of 5 d orbitals, so those also would be degenerate because you have 5 orbitals at the same energy level, 5 quantum states at the same energy level, and therefore they would be degenerate. So that's the concept of degenerate quantum state. There's nothing wrong with the energy state or the quantum state. It's simply there's more than one at the same energy level, and that is how it's defined.